channel. Bringing the beauty of the outdoors inside can create a calming and serene environment in any room of your home or apartment. I love being in nature, and the clips I showed in the beginning of my video are places that I've been and the area that I live in. I love to surround myself in nature, and I love to bring that indoors. And I've been able to incorporate a low budget way using artificial plants to invoke that feeling that I'm outside every day, or it makes me feel good. And I hope that it can create some ideas for you if you're on a budget, and you can use pictures from your travels or just whatever makes you feel good. And this makes me feel good, and I just wanted to share it. And please enjoy the video.